Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to create a custom eBay store. So we cannot open or create a custom store directly from the application, and instead we need to use a browsing system. So open your browser and type in the searching field open an eBay store. And then go to this page. Here you need to scroll down and until you see this link, choose a store subscription, open it, and here you will see the levels of store you want. So it's starter, basic, premium, and some others depending on how big you want your shop to be. But if you are just starting to sell on eBay, I think the great option for you will be this starter option, starter subscription. So after subscribing to the store, go back to your selling dashboard. So you can find it in my eBay section. Okay, here I tapped on this icon of man, and then we need to go to selling section, and here you will see the button Manage Store button. So now it's time to customize your store. Tap Edit Store to start designing your custom look. And firstly choose the name for your store. Make sure the name of your store is unique, easy to remember, and clearly shows what you are selling. Next, upload a logo for your store. So tap on the image section and add clean professional logo that represents your brand. And also upload a store banner to make your storefront visually appealing, because good visuals create a strong first impression of the buyers. Also write a description to your store. So you need to tell visitors who you are, what products you specialize in, and why the buyer should buy exactly from you. So the description should be in some catchy way. And also you can set up some store categories. So to do that, tap Manage Categories and create sections like New Arrivals or Clearance, for example, or some categories based on your product types to help customers navigate easily. And in the end, review everything carefully and then tap Publish to make your custom store live. And just like that, you have created a professional custom eBay store from your phone. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.